Hey guys, in this video we will show you how SQL account fixed assets module. Easy compute multiple assets depreciation, auto post to GL account precisely. On top of that, it has asset disposal gain loss calculation too. First, set up master file. All you need to do is create the asset group link to the GL code. Insert code, description, choose the depreciation method, update all the GL account code. Next, proceed to the asset item details. Create all the assets, fill up code, description, assign the asset group, agent, area. Insert the acquire date, cost, useful life as well as residual value. Choose the depreciation frequency by yearly, monthly, half-yearly or quarterly. Click on Generate. SQL will generate all the depreciations. Routine asset depreciation generate. Go to Asset. Process depreciation. Choose the process period, for example 1st January to 31st December. You can choose to post the depreciation by asset group, asset item, or even by agent or area. In this example, I will post by asset group. All asset depreciation will be calculated with a simple click on the Save button. A journal voucher created automatically. System will calculate all the depreciation entries by asset group. For instance, the depreciation posting total for motor vehicle, furniture, and fitting, office equipment. Reports. SQL also packed with comprehensive assets report. Let's look at asset analysis, which can view by yearly, monthly, half-yearly or quarterly. In this case, we will look at 5 years analysis. All historical depreciation, year-to-date depreciation, accumulated depreciation, and net book value will be displayed for better analysis by asset group. If the assets have been sold, the system will also help you to calculate the gain or loss on asset disposal. If you wish to view detail by individual asset, you can also change the grouping to asset item and apply. Asset disposal. Go to Asset, Asset Disposal. New, select the asset. System will show out all the informations including cost, accumulated depreciation, net book value. What you need to do is insert the disposal amount. Choose the payment method. The disposal gain or loss will be calculated automatically. And the GL journal entry will also be auto taken up too. Let's go through the asset process again. This time, I'll show you posting by asset item. Click on Process. Let's take a look at the journal. The system will break down by each individual asset. A disposal journal will also be taken into account. Opening balance. What if I have acquired some assets before using SQL? Let's say you start using SQL on 1st January 2018. Acquire one asset on 1st January 2017. What you need to do is as follows. Insert the opening balance, insert the acquire date, cost, and generate. Process asset from 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017. Journal posting will not be required for past depreciation process. In addition, you can check the asset report to see if the opening balance matches the asset cost and depreciation for the past year. Contact your service agent today for SQL Fixed Asset Trial.